Is it on? Hi, this is Sally reporting from the seashore. I have found seashells. It's a wonderful day here. Hi, this is Sally reporting from the seashore. And look, it's amazing. Holes being dug right here. Mother Nature's holes. The question, will it be here tomorrow? Will it?
Will you please be quiet?
Is it still on?
You got an interview.
Oh, okay. All right, wait a minute.
And start singing then Matthew says grave digger.
Yeah.
Seriously.
As he digs the hole, who knows where it goes? China? I don't know. But look, he does it with determination. Dig the sand, boy, dig the sand. And you, get in the hole. Hey, Jacob, get down in there. Get down in the hole. Every single rep.
You're on. You're on.
Liar. Am I really on? Am I on? Are you lying to me? I know you're lying. Scotch, Scotch, Scotch. I love Scotch.
Get him breaking out of it.
Okay. We're recording. You can jump out now.
I can't. Oh, how'd he do that? They put more on me.
Try to stand up. High tide's coming. Hurry! Hurry!
For real, my legs. Oh, here they come.